Common HVAC problems. Here are the reasons why your system can malfunction on you without you even knowing what you are doing to it yourself. Number one is, are you changing your filters frequently? Are you checking your system to making sure that your filter was changed last month, a few months ago, periodically? Some people don't even know they have filters in their system. Go check it out and check when was the last time you changed it. Number two is a refrigerant leak. Do you have one? Is my system in lacking of cooling? The question is, we don't know that. You got to call a professional to come out and give you his or her professional opinion. Now, if your system is lacking in hot air and you are struggling with it, getting it cold, and no matter what you do, you change your thermostat battery, you change your thermostat, your filter, and no matter what you do to it, it's still coming out hot. Well, there definitely needs some services. You need to get a professional company to come out there and see what's wrong with it. You may have a potential HVAC refrigerant leak, and they will definitely tell you and direct you on what to do to get the system back up and running. Another one is a thermostat. When homeowners change their thermostats themselves, they decide to put it on the wall, mount it, and walk away from it. They forget to do the scheduling portion. The scheduling portion is extremely important because it can save you on energy and can also save you from leaving the home and keeping it on the off position. Putting it on the off position is one of the worst things you can do. Reason being is because it has to heat or cool the entire space before you come home. And another thing is, it has a default setting that you do not want to experience. For example, summer, you put your thermostat on 72, you go to bed, you wake up, the thermostat's on 88. Well, the reason why is because that's on a default setting from the manufacturer. If you have a set schedule, that will not happen to you. And those are the most common problems that happen in the HVAC system.